I come before you as a servant that is accounting for the work that has been done in the last financial year, and the work that our municipality will do, not only in the current financial year, but in the 5 years of this term of council. I come here bearing no promises or wishful thinking, but concrete development projects that are meant to change the face of the city for the better. So with all countries not having recovered fully from the effect of the virus, our context is also characterized by heightened geopolitical tensions with the world clearly on the verge of a third world war. This situation has created a reality of high inflation and weak economic growth across the globe. It is a fact that the war between Russia and Ukraine will continue to impair the production and trade of many commodities, more particularly energy and food. As part of our investment and economic recovery plan, we are deliberate in our positioning of our city as a credible investment destination, and this is not a marketing gimmick. The plan would see us use infrastructure, tourism, and other investments to stimulate economic recovery, to see output growth of between 3 to 5% over the medium-term revenue and expenditure framework period. Address integrity issues in the billing system as part of efforts of improving the collection rate of the city. Undertake expenditure reviews to find wastage and areas where there is less value for money, which can then enable reprioritization. It is essential that I report that certain actions in this regard have already taken place, as we have already packaged several catalytic programs. These are outlined in our built environment performance plan, which is now having a platinum rating by the National Treasury. We have catalytic programs for the West Bank around an export logistics hub, around the inner city and the beachfront, around tourism, hospitality, and commercial property development. A transport corridor between the East London CBD and Tanzania Urban Hub. A new corridor development between Beacon Bay and Kunupi, and a corridor development between Zwicha, Kone, and Bishop. We are steadily making progress on each of these catalytic programs, putting critical road infrastructure in place and investing in bulk infrastructure. Through our development agency, the BCMM, we have prepared projects for private investment and have a few billions of committed private investment in these programs. The announced investment of 4.3 billion into the development of the Port of East London by the National Ports Authority is highly welcome. We have decided that tariff increases will be within single-digit percentages in the current financial year, and with most of the increases far below the previous financial year. At the time of the public consultation process on the budget, it was expected that the electricity tariff would increase by 9.61%. We revised that proposal and increased it down to 7.47%. The proposed water tariff increase during the public consultation process was 9.66%, and this tariff has been revised to 6.78%. In addition to this, we want to confirm that despite the challenging economic climate, the city has maintained the 30-day payment period to our creditors. We are proud to list ourselves as one of the best payers in the Eastern Cape, by contributing to the stability of our small business sector. So, on behalf of the Council, I thank you all.
Thank you very much, thank you very much, thank you very much. The votes are not while standing. While standing. While standing, please. It's never too late. Fellow councillors.